Friends, welcome back to Joe Tutorial, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to adjust clip speed in DaVinci Resolve 19. So let me go ahead and create a new project here and simply add a clip onto my timeline. So I'm going to drag this clip here into my timeline. I will leave the current project frame right here, and I'm going to go ahead and show you what this clip looks like once I'm about to play the video clip. So let me go ahead and go to my edit section here at the bottom, and I'm going to quickly play the video so you can see the speed of this current clip. If you're a content creator and you realize that you're not receiving any note, see, so you can hear that the speed is at normal here. Now, in order to adjust the speed of this clip, all I have to do is just simply click on the inspect option here on the upper right hand side. Of course, you want to ensure that you select the clip, but once you click on that and click on inspect, you will open up a bunch of options here that you can use to make changes to the video. And under the video section, you just realize you have a bunch of other options here. Some of them are grayed out, some are not. So you have the audio, you have the video. Ensure that video is selected, and then you want to scroll down to where you'll have the option that says change speed. So once you click on that, it will expand and you have the change speed option here. 100.00 simply means that it is at 100%, meaning that it's at the normal rate, but you can increase this or decrease this if you want the speed of the video to change. So let's say I would like to make this video about 300% or 200%. I can change this by double clicking into the box and just simply removing the number or change it to what I want. So I can make it 200%, then click on enter, and you realize that it also changes on the timeline. Now the video is about 200%, twice as fast as it was before. So I'm going to play it so that you can hear it. If you're a content creator and you realize that you're not receiving any notifications regarding comments, likes, or whatever from your, so you hear that. Now let's say I just want it to be not as fast as it was before, but instead of 100%, 50%, I'm gonna enter 50, enter, and now you're gonna hear that it's much slower than the normal sound. If you're a content creator and you realize, you get the idea, right? So this can be for whatever video clip that you want to change. So guys, there you have it. I hope it's clear for you. If you want to adjust clip inside of DaVinci Resolve 19, this is how you do it, guys. I really hope you found value here, and if you do, don't forget to give this video a like. Let me know in the comments below, and on top of that, go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you're brand new to the channel. Thank you guys for watching, and see you next time.